Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching yoga poses for beginners and we're going to go right into it. The first pose we're going to be learning today is tree pose. Now this pose is equanimity. It helps to keep you grounded and it just has a way of allowing you to find your center and being balanced. You want to do this pose by stretching your abs, lengthening your hands and placing your legs or in your shins or on your inner thighs. The second pose we're going to be learning is Warrior One. In Warrior One, your right foot is facing 12 o'clock, your heels of the left foot is lifted and you're just pressing against the ground, your mat. And then this next pose is called Triangle Pose. Very easy to do. You're just going to place your hands beside your legs and allow the other legs to face your left hand side. The next pose we're going to be learning in this practice is Child's Pose. Now Child's Pose is like a beginner's pose that helps to keep you lengthening your spine and dropping your hips on your heels. It just has a way of helping you stay grounded. And this one, like you always know, is downward facing dog. You want your stomach to be tucked in and you're pulling your shoulders away from your wrists. And from here, we're going to go straight to high plank. Squeeze your core and just lengthen out. Stay here for as long as you can stay because it helps to build muscles. And then we'll go to upward facing dog. Upward facing dog is very easy and you're just allowing your spine to be in a very neutral place while you take slow and simple breath. After that, the next pose we're going to be doing is Supta Badha Konasana. Beginners, this pose just has a way of relaxing you, helping your lower back relax, and it's also a hip opener that absolutely anybody can practice. And then from here we're going to go to Dead Man's Pose, also known as Savasana. This pose is very important for relaxing, for meditating in a seated position. Thank you so much guys for watching and bye.